Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download music in your Android phone. Now you have to use some apps to download music in your phone. Suppose if you want to download music from Spotify, at first you have to install it. You can see in my phone it's already installed. So just open it and then log in or sign up and give it a moment. After opening the Spotify, just search for any song. So if I search for any song, now if you want to download this song, just tap on this plus icon and then tap on library option, then tap on playlist, then tap on liked song, and that's it. Here you can find your downloaded or liked song. You can also use YT Studio apps to download music. Just go back and then open it. You can see it's already installed. Then sign in or sign up and it's ready for you. Suppose if you want to download any song, just search for the song and then tap on three dots, then tap on download option, and you can see it's premium package. So if you buy YouTube Premium, then you can download any song or music from Spotify and YT Studio, and that's it. And that is how you can download music in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.